Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a register. To begin, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. This action will quickly open your Apple Wallet. Next, authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Once authenticated, hold the top edge of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the payment terminal's contactless reader. It's a quick and secure way to start your transaction. After holding your device near the reader, you will see a check mark and the word "Done" appear on your iPhone screen. Simultaneously, the payment terminal will confirm that your transaction was successful. This means your purchase is complete and you did not need to hand over a physical card or count out any cash. It's a fast, secure, and incredibly convenient method for everyday shopping. Using Apple Pay with your Apple Watch is just as simple and convenient. Start by double-clicking the side button on your watch. Then, you can swipe across the screen to select the specific payment card you wish to use for your purchase. Once your card is selected, hold the display of your Apple Watch within a few centimeters of the payment terminal's contactless reader. You'll feel a gentle tap when the payment is complete. For a smooth Apple Pay experience, always ensure your device has sufficient battery life and that its near-field communication, or NFC, is active. When you are ready to pay, look for the universal contactless payment symbol, which resembles 4 curved lines, at the checkout terminal. Remember, for certain debit card transactions, the terminal might still prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN. Happy paying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.